All right, so we're going to be working with our mixer today. And we're going to have to portion our ingredients. The first thing I want to share with you is go forward in time. Forward in time. Here, camera over here now. And in 30 minutes from now, this is what our dough is going to look like. Okay, this is one I made about 4 hours ago, and you notice how it is leavened, all these bubbles in here. And what I'm going to do is knock it down. All right, that's really all I need to mix that all together. Knock it off the paddle. All right, look at what a mess this is. That does not look like a dough. But now, this is my dough now, okay? Now look how much smoother this dough is. It was a rattly mess before. This has a nice shiny, smooth skin on it. So, like I said, this is gonna be this in a few hours, and you're gonna continue to knock it down. But for this to be that, in a few hours, it needs to be rounded. And the idea, it's gonna go into a bowl with a lid on top. So we are done with our dough now. The 18, 10, and 2 formula that I cut by 2/3, cut by 1/3, and we're gonna sit. That will sit all night long. I'll continue to punch it down. It will rise, and it will look like this.